Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Tech and Reviews. In today's video, let's see how to get this particular option. If you own a Kindle, let me know if you see this option, Amazon Family. So if you click on Amazon Family, you'll be able to add adult profile, child profile. So also in parent control, you'll get this Amazon Kids option. So let me know if you're able to see this option in your Kindle. If not, that's exactly what I'm going to show you all in today's video. So yeah, I'll try to make it as quick as possible. So without wasting any time, let's get in the video. Please enjoy. So in today's video, what we'll be doing is we'll try to add this particular option, Amazon Family, wherein you can add multiple profile so that each profile will have different reading experience. They can set different bookmarks so they can freely read their books, unlike how it is if you have a physical book. It's confusing to maintain bookmarks. So here you can create separate profiles and maintain bookmarks, and you can continue reading from where you stopped. So before we start, I would request you all to please do subscribe to my channel. If you are going to my channel for the first time, I would request you all to please do subscribe to my channel. That'll help me a lot. That'll help me grow in YouTube. So please do subscribe. So yeah, let's get started and see how to do exactly this. I'll try to make it as quick as possible. So first thing is you need to log into your Amazon account in your laptop. So I'll show you that.
So I have logged into my Amazon account. So whatever you're seeing is the screen recording. So once you have logged in, you should go here, click on devices. So once you click on devices, so this should show Kindle device which you have linked over here. So click on your Kindle device. You'll see three options. Click on preferences over here, and here you need to change the country. So from India to need to change it to a different country, specifically UK, any UK specific country. Click on change. From here you'll have to select any of your country, UK specific country. So I've just created some random address and added a random address over here. So you can go to your addresses, click on add address, click on country, search for United Kingdom, select United Kingdom, and you need to add some random address. Can open a new tab, can search for UK random address and click the first URL. You can just copy this address and put it over here and in the zip code. So you can copy this particular address, is the street over here, and copy this postal code what you see here and put it in postal code. So here in address line 2, you can if you have anything you can post that as well. Just give city as London, country as UK. For the phone number, you can just copy this phone number what is available here and put it over here. Give your give your name here. So that's all. Just leave everything else as it is. Click on add address. They will suggest some address. Just select and save the address. That's all you have to do. Now come back to your devices and select your Kindle device. Click on preferences. Now change the country to the newly added address and click on update. You can read this pop-up, whatever message they are saying. So it will be transferred to this particular account, amazon.co.uk. The Kindle device will be transferred to this account. So that's totally fine. Click on update. Your original Amazon account will not be affected, so you don't have to worry. So that's all. Thank you for transferring. It says so it's transferred. You can see amazon.co.uk. Sometimes they may ask you to sign in to UK account, so you can just sign in with your existing mobile number and password, and it will be transferred to this particular amazon.co.uk. So that's all you have to do. And now if you go and check your Kindle device, you should see all those new options. Suppose if you want to go back to your India account, just come to amazon.co.uk, sign in, and once you have signed in, click, just hover on this your account and list. You should see you should see this option called manage your content and devices. It's the same option what you see in the Indian version. Click on devices, you should see your connected link device. Now you can click on preferences, do the same process, click on change country, and here from the drop down you can select the India address, and your country will be changed to your Indian address, so it will be changed to India. So that's all. So when you click on update, the same pop-up will come again, so you can verify and click on update. For now I'll keep it as it is. So yeah, so let me show it in Kindle right now.
So once you have made the changes what I showed earlier, you should start seeing this Amazon family. So you can just need to press sync, and once synced, go to all settings, go to your account, and you'll see this Amazon family. And here you can create adult profile or children profile and manage your book separately for each profile. So also you can add the parental control. You'll see Amazon Kids over there. For Indian version you'll not see Amazon Kids, so you'll start seeing Amazon Kids as well. So also if you get a sign in when changing the country, just give your normal number. So when you're typing something, you just need to change this to India, and then type your number and then continue and provide the password, and then you can log in. So that's how you can log into this particular UK Amazon account. So yeah, that's about it guys. That's a quick video which I want to hope you all liked it. Hope this was useful. I request you all again to please do subscribe to my channel if you're not done so. If you're coming to my channel for the first time, please do subscribe. That'll help me a lot. That'll help me grow on YouTube. So please do subscribe. So that's end the video. Hope you liked it. If there are any queries, please post in the comment section. Please do hit the like button. So let's catch you next video. Until then, see you. Bye.